Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today, we're diving into one of Samsung's latest and most awaited mid-range devices of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. Samsung has truly outdone itself this time, bringing premium features, eye-catching design, and powerful performance all packed into a phone that doesn't break your wallet. So, let's get right into it and explore what makes this phone such a standout in its category. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A36 5G carries that sleek Samsung DNA with a minimalist yet classy build. It comes with a smooth matte finish back, available in 4 beautiful colors: ice blue, midnight black, mint green, and sunset violet. The frame feels solid and premium, while the flat-edge design gives it a modern flagship vibe. The phone weighs just right and fits comfortably in the hand, making it ideal for long-term use without fatigue. Samsung has also added Gorilla Glass protection on the front, giving you peace of mind against scratches and minor drops. Now, the display is where Samsung continues to dominate. The Galaxy A36 5G features a stunning 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and FHD+ resolution. This means your scrolling, gaming, and streaming experience is silky smooth and visually stunning. The brightness levels reach up to 1000 nits, making it perfectly visible even under direct sunlight. Whether you're watching Netflix, editing photos, or browsing through social media, this display delivers crisp colors, deep blacks, and vibrant contrast that will make you fall in love instantly. Under the hood, the Galaxy A36 5G is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1430 chipset built on a 6nm process, paired with up to 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, expandable via microSD. This ensures strong multitasking and smooth performance even when running demanding apps or games. The 5G connectivity ensures ultra-fast browsing, lag-free streaming, and next-gen network stability. Samsung has also optimized the software with One UI 7 based on Android 15, providing a clean interface, smoother animations, and useful customizations for a better user experience. Now, let's talk about the camera, one of the strongest points of this device. The Galaxy A36 5G features a triple rear camera setup, a 64MP main lens with optical image stabilization, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro lens. The photos it captures are sharp, vibrant, and natural, even in low light. The night mode performance is truly impressive, reducing noise and keeping the details intact. The 32MP front camera ensures crisp and bright selfies, and it's perfect for vloggers or video calls. You can also record up to 4K videos at 30fps, and thanks to the OIS, your videos come out stable and cinematic. Battery life is another big win here. The phone packs a 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support. Samsung claims it can easily last over a full day with moderate to heavy usage. Streaming, gaming, video shooting, whatever you do, the Galaxy A36 5G won't die on you quickly. Plus, Samsung has improved power management in the latest One UI, making the phone even more efficient. For security, you get an under-display fingerprint scanner and reliable face unlock. The stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support add another layer of immersion, delivering clear and balanced sound whether you're watching movies or listening to music. The phone also includes IP67 water and dust resistance, giving it durability that many competitors at this price range still lack. Speaking of pricing, Samsung has kept it aggressive yet fair. The Galaxy A36 5G starts around $349 for the base variant, offering incredible value considering the specs, design, and brand reliability. With 3 years of OS updates and 4 years of security patches, Samsung continues to show why it's trusted worldwide. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is a perfect all-rounder for 2025, stylish, powerful, camera smart, and battery efficient. It's ideal for gamers, photographers, and everyday users who want a smooth 5G experience without paying flagship money. If you're looking for a phone that blends performance with elegance and longevity, this one's definitely worth your attention. So that's my complete review of the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. What do you guys think about this new mid-range beast? Drop your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, And hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more exciting smartphone reviews right here on Auto Smartphone.